Today, we've got something exciting: Xiaomi's latest flagship, the Xiaomi 15. Let's dive into what makes this phone an absolute game changer in the smartphone world. First up, check out this stunning design. The Xiaomi 15 boasts a premium glass back with an ultra-slim aluminum frame. It's sleek, lightweight, and fits perfectly in your hand, but it's not just about looks. The 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate delivers vibrant colors and smooth scrolling. Watching videos, gaming, or just scrolling through your feed has never looked better. Now, let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 15 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, making it a beast when it comes to multitasking, gaming, or handling heavy apps. Of course, we can't forget the camera. This baby comes with a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto. Whether you're shooting in low light or capturing stunning landscapes, the Xiaomi 15 delivers pro-level shots. Battery life, no worries. With its 5000 mAh battery and 1-OW fast charging, you'll go from 0 to 100% in just 20 minutes. Perfect for those on the go. So, whether you're after cutting-edge performance, stunning visuals, or a fantastic camera setup, the Xiaomi 15 has it all. What do you think? Is this the phone you've been waiting for? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.